Now I'm going to show you how easy and fast it's easy to mount and dismount the Tinox frame. Let's put the chronometer. We will start removing the push pin. We open all the clips. We'll remove the down part. After the upper part, just press the pin and that's it. So easy. The other side. And the last part. And it's done. And now let's mount it. One side. The other side. Upper part. Now we start here. We put the clip. Bottom, it's on this side, put the clip, and we finish here. Last thing, the pull starter pulley with the push pin. That's it. In less than 2 minutes, I have mounted and dismounted the frame. It's just incredible.